Hello, namaste सबैजनालाई. Welcome back to my channel once again. It's me, Vinod Shrestha, and my channel's name is @Excellent Educations 3141. So you visit my channel so that you get a lot of lectures related to the mathematics and optional mathematics. Okay, and in today's lectures, I'll teach you the compound interest questions. There are two questions on the screen. One questions I teach you how to solve it, and the another questions you have to solve yourselves. Okay, now let's get to the question. Here question ma ke cha bhane Ram needed funds to expand his business and borrowed Rs 4,80,000. And 4,80,000 rupees. That is principal, of course, from Sita at the rate of 10% per annum. That is rate, and at the end of 1 year, that is time. Understand? Everything is given here. अब solution में हामीलाई के दिएको छ हेर्नुस् त. Solution में हामीलाई के दिएको छ भने principal is rupees 4,80,000. That is of course the principal, and this is rate. Rate is given 10% per annum, 10% per annum, and time is 1 year. Understand? This सबै हामीलाई दिएको छ. अब simply is very easy. Calculate the simple interest Ram needs to pay. So one number your answer is simple interest. You need to calculate simple interest. The formula is PTR divided by 100. So you substitute the value. P means 4,80,000 into time means 1 year, and rate is 10%, whole divided by 100. Of course, you will get from here 48,000. And see, one number answer you get 48,000 because one number you are asked to find the simple interest. Simple interest is formula PTR by 100. Now second number, let's get to the second number. अब second number मा हामीलाई के सोधेको छ हेर्नुस् त. Second number मा determine the semi-annual compound interest payable by the Ram. That is only simple. Compound interest semi-annually निकाल्नु छ. The formula is P big bracket 1 plus R by 200 whole power twice T minus 1. That is compound interest semi-annually formula. अब यहाँ पनि just put the values. This is 4,80,000. ठीक छ. This is 4,80,000, and this is 1 plus R means 10 divided by 200. This is whole power twice T. T means 1 minus 1. So use this all values in your calculator. Find 49,200 rupees. You'll get 49,200 rupees. Okay. Our third number ma compute the quarterly compound interest payable by Ram. That means now you have to calculate quarterly compound interest. Use the quarterly compound interest formula. That is three number you have to find is compound interest quarterly. The formula is P big bracket 1 plus R by 400 power 40 minus 1. So use the value. This is 4,80,000, and this is 1 plus R means 10 divided by 400 into 4 times 1 minus 1. So if you calculate these values in your calculator, you'll get the answers. This gives you 49,830.19. So this is the value. Now look at here. हजुरले यसमा के निकाल्नु भयो? सिम्पल इन्ट्रेस्ट निकाल्नु भयो, compound interest semi annually पनि निकाल्नु भयो, compound interest quarterly पनि निकाल्नु भयो. Now what we are asked in the question number 4, calculate the difference between the quarterly and semi annual compound interest. Difference and you go just subtract गरिदिनुस्. That means subtract, just I renumber your answer. I renumber मा हामीलाई के हुन्छ नि difference between quarterly compound interest, difference between compound interest quarterly and compound interest semi-annually. That means compound interest quarterly minus compound interest semi-annually. यो हजुरले यसमा subtract गर्नुस्, you will get the answer. अब quarterly को हामीसँग दिएकै छ. Quarterly हामीलाई दिएको छ 49,830.19 minus हजुरलाई दिएको छ त्यो 49,200, अनि हजुरको जे आन्सर आउँछ that is the question number 4. ओके, हजुरले सायद बुझ्नु होला. यसको नेक्स्ट क्वेशन यहाँ हजुरहरूले यसको नेक्स्ट क्वेशन चाहिँ हजुरले सल्भ गरेर मलाई आन्सर चाहिँ मेसेजमा लेख्नु होला. ठीक छ. थ्यांक यू फर वाचिङ माय च्यानल. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियो. टिल देन हैव अ गुड टाइम. बाय बाय.